Green Onion Garlic Naan Bread. Ingredients: 1½ cups bread flour, plus more as needed. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. 4 cloves garlic, crushed. 1/2 cup thinly sliced green onions. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Preparation: place bread flour in a bowl. Add salt and baking powder and mix well. Gently add Greek yogurt, followed by garlic and green onions. Continue mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a work surface and knead for a few minutes until it becomes elastic and slightly sticky. Add a bit more flour if necessary, but keep it to a minimum. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and roll out on a floured surface until thin. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the dough circles until bubbles form and the underside is lightly browned. Flip and cook for another minute, pressing slightly with a spatula. Flip twice more, cooking for 15 seconds per side. Place the cooked naan on a plate and cover with a kitchen towel to keep warm. Nutrition information: serving size 100 grams. Calories 291. Fat 6 grams. Carbs 50 grams. Fiber 3 grams. Sugars 4 grams. Protein 10 grams. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Enjoy!